Guys, it already start. And Trump no take office yet. Now, this is a Jamaican man who was arrested by ICE after getting released from Connecticut jail. Him come out of jail already, you know. Although he get released, now them take him in. This man, I'm not going to bother to give you his first and middle name. His last name is Walsh, and he's a Jamaican man living in Hartford, and him get arrested by the U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE. Right after him come out of Connecticut prison in December. Walsh is 28, did a 21-month sentence at Willard Cybolski Correctional Institution for assault, 2 young women, and tampering with evidence. And when I say assault, it's a something start with S, but I can't spell it out. I don't want to spell it out here on YouTube. So anyway, after him served time, ICE take him into custody as part of their enforcement operation. You hear that? Them enforcement operation. So anybody who no commit crime yet and them have the intention, the best thing is to do is not better do it. Don't bother with it unless them want to go back to Jamaica. Go find something else to do. It might not pay as much as crime, but at least it will keep them in the US. Because as me say, no wrong if you go back to Jamaica go live, but not by force, by free will. Because once them commit crime, it's going to be by force. America always look like the land of opportunity. A hope for plenty people looking for a better life and a chance to succeed. Many like Walsh come to the US searching for a future filled with promise. But when people like Walsh choose crime over opportunity, it raises serious questions about justice and rehabilitation. When deportees like Walsh go back to Jamaica, them face a hard life without the support systems to help them reintegrate. With no jobs and little opportunities, many find themselves in tough financial spots, often leading back to crime that not only put them further at risk but also affect the society they come back to. Jamaica already dealing with high crime rates, and when people with criminal records return, it only makes things worse, as they might get involved in activities that threaten the safety and well-being of the community. The question arises, should the US continue to deport individuals like Walsh, who do serious crime in the US and might pose risk back home, or should them focus more on rehabilitation and integration efforts to prevent repeat offenses when they return to Jamaica? Plenty deportees before coming to the US and getting mixed up in crime never had a history of wrongdoing. So, tackling the real issue behind such behavior and providing support could lead to better outcomes for both the individuals and the communities. As we try to understand this situation, it's vital to consider not just individual actions, but also how systemic problems on both sides contribute to crime and incarceration. Finding a balance between public safety and humane treatment with effort toward rehabilitation is a big challenge for the policymaker and the communities them serve. And I'm telling you, if Trump do what him say him a go do, God help our little country Jamaica, because a whole heap of them come here come do bad things instead of them come look one little work and try to take them time and build them life. Them just want to come to America, think things easy, get rich quick, and get themselves in a big trouble.